guys. So today I'm going to try my hand on AWS Bedrock knowledge base. So this is a managed rack flow, so you don't have to do much to have a rack applications, but that means you don't have much control also. But let's try it. So I have this sample document I found by XXA, an insurance company, and we are going to ask some questions regarding these numbers, for example. And probably I will use Gemini to generate some questions for me. So let's get started. So create, I go to Bedrock here, Bedrock, and try to create a knowledge base. Okay, so I don't have any here. So I'm going to create one from um, knowledge base with vector store because I don't have structured data store. So that means structured data store, something like SQL, something like that. But we will, the rack pipeline will vectorize the document so we can do search on that. So insurance policy KB. Okay. So I don't need any description. Let me zoom it a bit. And the data source would be S3. And next. And yeah, so it will create an S3 for us, I assume. Or, oh, no. So I need to create an S3. So rack demo. I don't know. Because S3 name must be, unique. So adding some numbers. Rack. Yep. So I need to copy the ARN of this. Not sure where it is. It is here. So copy the ARN here. S3. Something. It needs something else. So probably just this part is needed. Or browse and find this. Let's see. Need to reload this. Choose an archive in S3. Why? Let me see. Um, this AWS account, right? And for some strange reason, just bucket name prefix object, no. Data source name, uh, location, source file. So this is an S3, and bucket name, something like that. And default parser, we're going to have PDFs, right? Data parse, data automation. I think this would cost us more. Okay. So because we don't have text, we have PDFs. So this one I think is okay. And chunking, which is very important. So we need to for simple data set like this, I guess default chunking, the chunking split 300 tokens. So this is not ideal. This is the the simplest thing. I think we need to have semantic chunking. So max buffer size, okay, threshold, group together when not sure. Let's leave it as default here. Okay. Transformation functions. No, I don't have any transformation. customer chunking. So probably if you want to do some customization for the text, like pre-processing, then you would need this. But no, I just want to try a vector store. So I'm going to open search. Oh, this one is new. Probably it's cheaper. Well, the last time I used OpenShirt, it's kind of expensive. So I'm not sure if I can use S3. But anyways, use OpenSearch. Okay. It's multimodal. We create a photo folder. So S3. This is the one for you, man. Maybe storage. Okay. Let's try this. A valid. Oh, okay. So I need to tighten embedding. I'll go here. I need to enable it first. What the hell? So I need to go to Bedrock again. Bedrock and enable. Go here. The model catalog, and I need okay, embedding. So we need to, yes. Not sure if we can embed English. So gotta be this one. Open the playground. I need to enable it first. Okay. It's not available for me. So this one, can I use it? Why is it grayed out? Not sure. Clear filter. I'm not sure. View pricing. Well, somehow I need to enable that, but I haven't. Text, Titan text. Okay. It's like grays. Um, okay. View pricing. Oh God. Model catalog. Request enable. Okay. Enable Bedrock. Yeah. So great. No, no, no. And now it seems there's a page for us to new. Oh, this is available. Ah, for embedding. Okay, why can I? Okay, oh, sure. Yeah, let's do go here. Because the text is English, so we don't need a valid. Wow, what is the valid one? Okay, we're next. And it seems we have everything ready. The next step is to like, oh my god, I need to like change the S3 because we did something like we created a folder for the data source. So I need to create a folder here. Policy policies. Okay. So I need to specify this again, so it will because we have storage here, so we need to like change this here, the data source. Anyways, in the meantime, like I will upload the file here. Select add file. Okay, and upload. And that's it. Now let's wait. It will probably cost a few minutes. I'm not sure, this is my first time. But anyways, uh, I will pause the video and get back to you when this is done. So welcome back, guys. So it seems the few things are created, OpenSearch created already, and in the meantime, I will use Gemini to uh, generate some questions to help me validate the policy. Let me generate 10, maybe 10 questions to test this rack application based on this document. Okay, hopefully that's enough. Focus on the details and try to address to ask for the edge cases to identify the flaws of the application. Maybe I will add some context for this. This is the document I feed to a rack application. Okay, so maybe we'll do fact check on these questions. But anyways, let's wait for. Okay, got this subfolder which. Okay, for storage. Okay, noise. So it is previous. So maybe I need to, yeah. So I need to create another rack. Okay, okay, please let me click. Okay, wow, it's freeze. Okay, policies. I go to buckets, buckets, buckets. Come on. Oh, come on, guys. Why? Why? Go to S3. No. Okay, go S3 from here. So maybe I'm going to create a new bucket. Okay. Rack demo storage 999. Yep, that's it. So yeah, what is that? Yeah. So something like this. That's enough. So in next, okay, preparing. Hopefully it will not like try to recreate the things because that would double the cost. And this is so expensive. Then click on create a knowledge base. Probably we need to wait for this again, which is I don't know, crazy. Hopefully we don't have to. Let me let me check. Open search. Open search service. So as you recall, I have uploaded the wow. I've uploaded the file to a folder called policies. No, no, no. AWS should be creating this. Okay, ready. Okay, cool. Hopefully everything is working fine, and we have it's on almost like 10 minutes past, and still it is still creating. So I think this is some issues here. I just copy these two. Okay, and let's start over. It's crazy how things take so long. Yeah, okay. Yep. So I later I need to check if there are other resources. Uh, okay, quick start. No. Insurance. Why? Maybe need to do this. Create. Um. Okay. This is okay. Next. So this. Yep. S3. This one. And next. And then this one. We need this, right? Quickly create new vector store. Okay. We don't have any existing vector store. And open search. Okay. Select mapping embedding model. Okay. Next. And create knowledge base. So this time is 1817. Let's see how long this takes. Well, okay. Seems some issues with the row, so I need to give this one I am rows. Probably I need to give it knowledge base S3. Not sure if we can. Okay, let's check this. Get object. Hmm. Put object. I think it has everything it needs, right? Oh my god. Well, this is classic AWS. Why don't they just trim the bucket for us? It's crazy. You see, this is a space. That's that's crazy. I'm not sure, but you need to handle such thing internally yourself. Well, what the hell? Why can you just do a simple trim on this? It's crazy. That's my fault, seriously. But this, seriously, previous, if I, okay. Yep. And now we may need to wait like 10 minutes, then the whole thing's dead. I think we'd better like uh start again, or I mean I want to wait for it like 2 more minutes and then to decide if we can continue, because it seems like the retry mechanism is not so good. And yeah, I understand the complexity in this. But anyways, let's wait and God, like 2 more minutes, right? Okay, let's pause this video. Let's see you in 2 minutes. Okay, seems it's stuck again, so I need to cancel this. But yeah, okay. Well, I'll leave everything as default. I don't want to edit anything now. Just copy this, okay? My fault. Yeah, no complaining. Crazy, right? It's nothing to create, okay? This one, default chunking. Yeah, parent child. Okay, cool. Okay, this is like something like you have a chapter or a page, like a thousand tokens, and you have small chunks. so it will not lose the context when you like query. So I think this is a good fit. Anyways, yes. Yeah, let's try this. Another one. So hopefully everything is good now. No space. Next. Oh God. Yes, sir. On demand. Yeah, only on demand. That's good. And next. Not sure if this is the thing. So we create it. Okay, let's wait. Hopefully this time it will create things faster because there's no error from outside. It still bugs me like they don't have any warning on S3 bucket space, extra space, and they don't do any automatic trimming for us. Kind of disappointing. Well, let's see how long that's take. So, oh, okay. It seems things are working. 1827. Hopefully, it will be done in like a minute or two, and we can try. Okay, cool. Oh, cool. Nice. So, we need to click here and sync because without that, um, we don't have anything. Okay. So you can test it. Need to be synced, right? Need to sync that. Okay. So it's still it might take sometimes more, and I will split this one into half of my screen, and this one would be Gemini. Okay. Okay. Why? This is another screen from my other applications. So it is syncing the data. So yeah. Um. Okay. So Gemini is doing a good job showing the details here. I think I can trust Gemini a bit, right? More than our pipeline. Okay. So we test the knowledge base and respond. Write a prompt. Why can I write the prompt? Okay, select. Okay, select model. So I think we can use like anthropic. Um, yeah, this one. Okay, okay. So what we okay. So this is the question. Okay. Sorry. Oh my God. What's wrong? Um, and what are my benefits? Wow. Maybe we need to like put the data at the root of the S3. Okay. Maybe that is the issues, right? So S3. Okay. So we need to like put it like at the root of the bucket. Okay. So I should move. Yeah. Move to um yep. Okay. Okay. Choose destinations and move. That's it. Let's move out of that. So let we try this again. Okay, so we have it here. Go back here and resync the data. Okay. Okay. So hopefully this time this one can answer. Okay, so there's search type, a lot of options, but let's let's hope it will be able to answer some simple questions. Hopefully, it will pass the Gemini questions also. So this is like a lesson learned. You need to put the source inside a folder, so it will not scan like recursively to the inner folder. Okay, okay. Let's try this again. What are my benefits? So this is simple questions. What? Why? Okay. Let me close this and test retrieval and response. Right. So maybe we can anthropic. This is. I think this is enough. This is good enough. What are my benefits? Okay. Cool. Okay. Okay. It seems the indexing is working. And let's try this. If okay, delete this one. Uh, maybe it's according to the okay, sounds good per year for table standard column. Okay, so we still have okay. Ooh, nice. We can click on this, right? Okay, okay. So this refer to the file. So details. Okay, that is cool. That is cool. And let's try. I think this is correct, right? Let's check Gemini. Yes, yes, yes. Vaccinations each year, and yes, this applied to the combined limit. Okay, cool, cool. So that is the first test. Questions. Okay, question two, right? Let's try this. I'm considering this standard plan without outpatient treatment. It is correct. Let's try the side by side thing again. Okay. Yep. 5,000, 8,000, and per person per year. Exist options. Cool. Rational. What are the specific hour? What? Okay. It seems like Gemini failed here. Okay. What's that? That's the assertion of specific time zone. Time zone. Don't need it. Maybe 7-3. Compare the Prestige and Prestige Plus. Correct answer. Um. Okay. 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 50% refund up to 500 and 800 per year. Non-routine treatment is covered. Okay. Well, this is there a refund? Non-routine is covered 80%. Okay. The number is correct, so negative. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I will not test all of that. But just to the foundation plan cover weeks or temporary head covering. Okay. Weeks are not covered, so let's not be lazy and let's open this. Okay. Let's search for week. Quick. The foundation plan, right? No, Sure. So the question is for the foundation plan. Okay. And, uh, cover wicks. This is wrong, right? So this is wrong. Um, so there's something is incorrect with the embedding. According to the search, cover wicks. Nope. I think that yeah, this one is maybe it's mistaken uh, with the X and the tick. But anyways, this one is the cache benefit. No, no. This is the difficult of table passing. So I think Gemini is doing a good job, like passing the document, reading the document. So if Gemini is available here, then I will definitely use Gemini for like pre-processing of the data. Does the comprehensive plan cover routine pregnant and childbirth? If not, which, which specific plan offer this cover? No. Okay. Prestige. Okay. This one also tests the table parsing capabilities of the flow. So hopefully it will get a routine. Is not cover routine. Okay. It doesn't answer. If not, so maybe it failed to see the deep plan. Okay. So let's not be lazy again and try both. So prestige and prestige plus. So this is the issues of table passing. Uh, many model doesn't work really well with this. So if I think if we prepare this table, then like turn this into markdown, then the model will have a better time answering our questions. So let's try how many nice cover. Okay, I think this is also fall under the table passing, so I don't have much hope on that. But anyways, we could test this accommodations. Okay, 100 sounds right per night up to maximum uh, prestige for one parent to stay. I know where it get these things. Probably a hallucination per night. So let's open the document again. So let's not be lazy. Hotel. Parent accommodation in the hotel, right? Auditions. So the question is prestige. And okay. So this is actually Bedrock is doing good. So what was the question? How many nights for a parent cover and how does it differ? Okay. So it seems Gemini is doing not so well here. Hotel. Okay, just one, right? Okay, no difference. Yeah, Gemini is doing fine. But the question is how many nights? Okay, accommodations, accommodation, parent, a night. So there's no, the question how many was not answered. For one parent to stay in hotel while the child. Okay, so there's got final questions. Final question to test this thing. Gemini actually does really well. So there's no difference. Okay, so final questions. What we don't cover chronic conditions covered under the standard plan. So let's uh verify it ourselves. Did I? Okay. What we don't cover. Okay. So chronic under foundation, right? Let's try this. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Uh, um, chronic. Yes, standard plan. I specify. Any specific exceptions? So yeah, standard. Yeah. So chronic illness, routine follow, inpatient treatment. I'm not sure. Okay, so this is not cover. Yeah. So they are what's not cover? Okay, treatment. I'll come back. Uncover treatments of condition that last a long time. Okay. Cover for other specific. So I think there's a conflict information here. There are plans we don't cover. Okay. Foundation and standard, except for inpatient treatment. Okay. Okay. So the answer is no, and that's exception, right? No. Yeah. The exception. Okay. So, yep. Gemini is doing great here. Let's see if we accept for does not cover. Okay. Inpatient. Okay. So, yeah. Gemini is doing great. Bedrock does doing good with what is the hierarchical embedding. So I may need to try some other embeddings, but I think the most important issues is the input. The input from TextDraft. I guess they are using TextDraft to read the text, and the result is not that great because TextDraft reading the input document not really well. Maybe they miss some data and result in wrong answers. Yeah, thanks a lot for your attention over this long session. And well, hopefully it is useful. I see you next time.